certainly. The Chinese International Import Expo has offered itself, as a leading example to bring about different countries and companies representing various regions as well. And this is now offering an openness of trade. China is saying we are ready for business with anyone. Last year's one, Zambia only had one company representing, but this time we have actually upscaled to 9 companies. The expo translates to the fact that we do have economic players, China being the major economic player right now that is ready to open up other economies such as the global south to increase visibility for developing countries. And also it means that China has taken a deliberate step to also learn from other countries that are going to be at the expo in terms of, how businesses are done, and also tapping into new innovative ideas when it comes to enterprises as well as business.